Hi YouTube, what's up? Today we're gonna unbox the most cheapest smartphone available in Flipkart, which is U-Ace. Uh, I got it for just 3,500 rupees, and let's unbox it. Okay. The packing is good. You can see there is no any damages or any complaint, which looks perfect. See the box. This is the main packing, and this is the bill. You can see here, which cost 3,391 rupees, and this is the box. The packing is super, and here it is. This is the U-Ace phone. You can see here, and here the specification is 2 GB of RAM and 16 GB of ROM internal memory, and the 13 megapixel rear camera and the 5 megapixel front camera, and here you can see the 4000 mAh battery. That's awesome, and the fingerprint sensor is there, and face unlock, everything is there. And let's just open it. And here's the company seal. And here's the phone. This is a phone. You can see here there is one fingerprint scanner, and here's the camera. Here's the front facing camera. Let's come after some time to the mobile, and here's the user guide. You can see plenty of instructions and the manual here, and there is another box, and surprisingly the battery is removable, which is lithium polymer ion battery, 4000 mAh with 15.4 watts. And here's the battery, and here they provided one USB cable, charging cable, normal cable, which is there is no C type is available. This is the normal C type, sorry, normal USB cable. And here there is another one box is there, and here this is the adapter, charging adapter. You can connect this, one here, see here, and the cable quality is awesome, and the charger adapter is also good. The quality is better, and here we can see that actually this is not 0.3 amps charging speed. And here's the phone. Here's the phone. See the phone, which is superb, amazing. But actually the back panel is just average. This fully made up of with plastics, made of with plastics, and here one U, the simple is given, and here's the sensor given, and here is one front facing flash is there, and front facing camera is provided, and here this is the power button and volume up and down buttons, and here nothing. And let's remove this one to put the battery. And surprisingly the package is superb. And here it is, the first switch on of this U Ace powered by Android, and here the logo of U. There is little bit boot time is there. It's taking little bit time to boot up. And here it took little bit time, and they are asking to connect everything as normal. Just we are skipping everything. The terms and conditions just given. Which consists only 2 GB memory of RAM. That's why it's taking too much of time to boot up. And it's getting little bit time. And I hope this is the last procedure. And here is the home button. Here's the home button. You see the apps, everything is there. There is no much pre-installed apps here given. Surprisingly, the WhatsApp is not there, the Facebook is not there. There is no pre-installed apps we have to install. That's a good thing. And this is a camera. That's awesome. Camera features was awesome. The flash is working. And you can see here, you can see here about the phone U5014. That's the model of this phone exactly. And here you can see all the things here. quad core CPU. The CPU is quad core 1.5 GHz processor speed, and GPU is there, and RAM is 2 GB, and the internal memory is 16 GB. Android version is 8.1.0. You can see the Oreo is there. There is no any updation came, so you have to adjust with the Oreo. And there is as like everything. So that's the unboxing and the first view of this Ace phone, and I'll surely recommend at this price range. For 3,400 rupees, this phone is just awesome. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and again, warm welcome to the channel, and please subscribe, like and share our channel. Thank you. Thanks a lot.